Wherever it is, when I'm like just in nature, you feel pretty human. Like, that's where we were supposed to be. That's where we evolved from. My name is Cody Townsend, professional skier from Santa Cruz, California. We, as outdoor athletes, I think we have a special connection to the places that we play in. You can't help but want to protect those places. We started doing samples of peaks that are very remote. All of a sudden, you see the amount of styrofoams, you're seeing like carpet fibers, non-biodegradable microplastics in it. It's kind of terrifying. This is microplastics throughout our entire environment, going up into the atmosphere, getting carried through our world in storms and getting dropped onto some of the most remote peaks in the world. How can we do something to change this? I've always found it fascinating growing up here in Santa Cruz. It's such a hub of innovation. This like small little boggy town with some good waves is, potentially going to change the world.
I grew up always going to the ocean, and so it's just been part of my blood, part of my life. I wanted to find ways to start connecting more with the natural world. I've always been an engineer at heart, and I was lucky enough to find a career in environmental engineering. I started realizing nature has the answer. We tried to start by creating a compostable foam for surfboards. It just takes me right back looking at that. We realized we created a high-performing foam that nobody had achieved. Foam is used in so many places. It could rival styrofoam in packaging. It could rival other plastic foams. And for us, that was this moment where we said, this is it. This is where our technology needs to go. Cruz Foam is made of natural materials. The key components that really inspired us was this material called chitin. It's essentially what makes crab shells hard. Our foam degrades in less than 8 weeks. It leaves no microplastics. It's regenerative. One of our biggest inputs, without a doubt, is just food waste in general. To this day, the amount of food waste is enormous. We put it through a compounding process. You get a nice little pellet, and that pellet goes to a larger industrial system called extrusion. At the end of the day, we create a material that at the end of life is incredible. We design our product to disappear. The biggest problem with recycling is it doesn't change the end game. You still have an input, and it still ends up in landfill. You're just creating a secondary loop of accumulation. We have to be designing solutions that can return to Earth. This is actually the first product we made for Verve. Verve is a local Santa Cruz coffee company that uses our product to temperature control ship their cold brew coffee. One of the other ones that we're really excited about, and it speaks to where we can really offer this product in a really impactful way, is working with a company like Meals on Wheels, who use our product to ship groceries and food to those who do not have the best access. The way in which we make it allows us to really offer solutions that can be customized, can address a large spectrum of the need. It's not just about making a box. There is so much more advocacy on the consumer level to demand these brands use sustainable materials, use circular packaging on a level that we haven't seen before. It just fills me with an enormous amount of hope.
Morning.
Thank you so much.
Of course, have a great day.
The best thing for any material is to be biodegradable. To have products that are made to do that from like upcycled waste There's no better solution than that.
And technologies like Cruz Foam change the way we live our lives, the materials we put into this planet, and our connection with the natural world.